Attention.
This is our world. This is our world. A world where a $3 pound of coffee beans in the fields of Colombia becomes $3 a cup of coffee on the streets of Europe. Where $3 a kilo of polymer resin in Korea becomes a $30 pack of discs in stores of the world. Where a $10 barrel of color pigment in Vietnam becomes a $10 liter of specialty paint in Japan. This is a world where geography has fed opportunity for ages, and opportunity has fed global enterprise, creating value every moment, every day, consistently. Flexi Tuff. Flexi Tuff has been part of many packaging stories of the world, helping harness demand-supply opportunities by providing critical bulk packaging solutions. Have you ever wondered how critical product-specific packaging has narrowed the gap? How tons of high-value pharmaceutical compounds travel the world in clean room conditions? Or how milk powder ships around the world while remaining perfectly suited to infant consumption? Let me tell you how. FIBCs, giant-sized flexible containers, are manufactured at Flexi Tuff in clean-room, microorganism-free, food-grade conditions in a plant which follows good manufacturing practices, is certified by bodies like AIB of the US FDA or BRC UK, where practices and procedures eliminate dust, metals, or polymer residues, untouched by hand and with moisture-proof liners. Made in a vertically integrated plant to allow quality control and tracking of all parts and processes. Its high-value, critical applications such as bulk foods, explosives, pharmaceuticals, bulk drugs, petrochemicals, minerals, agrochemicals, which appreciate the metal of Flexi Tuff most. Take the conductive Type C and dissipative Type D bags. Designed to pack explosion-sensitive materials where a minor static spark could lead to an explosion. Flexi Tuff has been delivering such bags for over 10 years now. Flexi Tuff is a multi-product, multi-market, and multi-location enterprise. Multi-products, FIBCs for industrial bulk packaging, geotextiles for infrastructure projects, BOPP woven bags for retail packaging, reclosable secondary closures. Multi-markets, domestic markets, overseas markets. Multi-locations, 2 manufacturing plants at Pithampur, a manufacturing plant at Kashipur in northern India, a research and development center at Kashipur, a recycling plant at Kandala, Gujarat, a manufacturing subsidiary in the USA, a distribution and marketing subsidiary in the UK. Another segment where Flexi Tuff aims to make a mark is geotextiles, a key component of high-growth sector of infrastructure development. Geotextiles are used in riverbank protection, as underlay of road construction, as flood barriers, at seashores to prevent coastal erosion, and in all projects pertaining to roads, ports, airport runways, and rail tracks. According to the Ministry of Textile estimates for 2007 through 11, geotextiles form 2% of the lakhs of crores of India's infrastructure projects in the pipeline. Flexi Tuff's geotextile trap bags were used for flood protection at North Dakota and Louisiana in the U.S., where trap bags and barrier bags were used to critical advantage by the civic authorities. Flexi Tuff's BOPP plant in Kashipur, North India, is equipped with fully integrated facilities. This plant is home to BOPP reverse-printed bags, geotextiles, compounding, and the R&D center. The retail revolution is creating immense opportunities across the world, with U.S. levying anti-dumping duty on Chinese BOPP bags and its home market choosing to shift from paper bags to reverse-printed BOPP bags. Flexi Tuff is uniquely poised to bridge the gap. In the domestic market, retail sales are expected to grow to $543 billion by 2014, creating demand for high-quality retail packaging. Flexi Tuff's BOPP bags have found welcome markets in the USA, Europe, and Latin America. These attractive custom-designed bags are being used for pet food, bird feed, rice, sugar, flour, grains, fertilizers, and animal feed. We acquired a US-based company producing specialized zipper seals for woven BOPP bags. Flexi Tuff is now foraying into drippers for drip irrigation industry and polymer compounding for engineering plastics. The drip irrigation industry, with more controlled and precise water utilization, has led agriculture optimization and has been a prime focus of governments. According to the Government of India, the potential for drip irrigation in India is 2.7 crores hectares, out of which only 3.51 lakh hectares has been achieved. The government offers a subsidy of 50% to accelerate the adoption of this technique of irrigation. A major part of the drippers used in the drip irrigation industry are imported. With a huge import replacement demand, Flexi Tuff is poised to manufacture drippers in India. In polymer compounding, Flexi Tuff is venturing into ready compounds for engineering plastic applications, creating a custom mix of polymers for specific applications by using basic polymers, specific additives, and colors to make high-value compounds for automotive, white goods, electrical, and household sectors. Research at Flexi Tuff is led by Nanofilm, its wholly owned subsidiary, which is creating materials for tomorrow. Nanopolymers, engineering, and biodegradable plastics, and custom-designed end-to-end solutions. 15 of its 18 research projects are completed, and 8 applications for grant of patents have been filed. Flexi Tuff's strategy of using large integrated plants with significant capacities, specialized products, and research-driven industry solutions has brought it into the domain of infrastructure, retail, agriculture, and industrial bulk packaging. With its global reach, accreditations, certifications, and intercontinental presence, Flexi Tuff is poised to play a game-changing role in India and across the world.
Flexi Tuff International Limited is proposing, subject to market conditions and other considerations, a public issue of its equity shares and has filed the red herring prospectus with the Registrar of Company. The RHP is available on the website of SEBI at www.sebi.gov.in, on the website of the book running lead manager at www.csinga.com, and of the company at www.flexituff.com. Investors should note that investment in equity shares involves a high degree of risk. For detail, investors should refer to the RHP, including the section Risk Factor, beginning at page of the RHP. The equity shares proposed to be issued have not been and will not be registered under the U.S. Securities Act of 1933 as amended, or any state securities laws in the United States, and may not be offered or sold within the United States except outside of the United States in compliance with Regulation S and the applicable laws of each jurisdiction under such offers and sales occur.